In this video we're going to discuss compression and how to get the most out of compressing the ball as much as you can with your driver. So firstly I'd say we want a ball that we can compress. So if you've got a pretty slow swing speed, don't go using a distance ball, don't go using a hard ball. Use something that's a little bit softer, something that you can actually compress. It will actually go further than a distance ball. Just because it says distance on the ball doesn't mean it's going to go further. That might apply to Tiger Woods and his mates, but it certainly doesn't apply to an average club golfer's club head speed. If you want to get the most juice out of the lemon, so to speak, I would certainly go to a PGA professional. Come and see myself, where we've got a TrackMan and we can measure exactly what your club head's doing, how much speed you've got, and how to get the most out of what you've already got. So you don't necessarily need to go to the gym and pump out line and do all those sorts of things. That will certainly help, and club head speed will help. But to get the most out of yourself might actually mean that you need to swing slower than your potential. So I could probably swing the club at 112 miles an hour if I had to. But I don't think I'd actually hit it as far as if I was to actually take a little bit off and swing it at about 103 or 105. Hit slightly up on it, get the most juice out of the lemon. Could mean a slower swing speed. So we're looking for the loudest crack that we can get when we're hitting our driver. We're not looking for super mega speed that ends up being a half hit, slightly off center. If you can hit it out of the middle of the club face, hit slightly up on it, be using a ball that suits your club head speed, and just hold a little bit in reserve and don't absolutely belt the ears off it, then you can compress the ball. Let's go ahead and try and compress one here, which means we're going to take a little bit off our potential club head speed, swing in balance, and hit up on the ball ever so slightly. Okay, so that had a nice loud crack to it, and that's not due to club head speed, that's not significantly quick. It's quite within myself. I could go a lot harder than that, but I don't know if the ball would go much further. So how to compress the ball? Use a ball that suits your club head speed, hit slightly up on it if you can, hold a little bit off in reserve, and tune into the music of your timing and your rhythm. So where is that hit going to be? So that hit, you're not going to find that hit if you're too quick on it. Right, so take your time, wind it up, think about that music of where that crack's going to be in relative to your space and time and your swing. And if you can, come and see us and we'll put you on TrackMan and we'll get the most juice out of the lemon, so to speak. We hope that helps you with your consistency, and we'd hope that some of that helps you to compress the ball.